Hi everyone, it's Josh and Charlotte again on another new construction home tour. Charlotte, where are we today? Yeah, exactly. We're in Viridian Village here in far north Arlington. We're gonna come check out this 2-story home. You'll see the name above or below. You'll see the name of it here on your screen. Built by Coventry Homes. Coventry Homes built all over Dallas-Fort Worth. So come check out this beautiful home with us. Yay, Charlotte. No, don't put Raggy in there. Close that. Thank you. Close it. Very good. Okay. Nope. We're going to go see some more of the house. How are those cabinets? Yeah, are they good cabinets? Okay, close the cabinet, please. Yay. Come here, please. No, what?
No.
What? No. Here, come here. Oh, no, what? Ego? No, we're not watching Let It Go right now. We're going to see the house. Here, get your Raggy. Let's go see this room. Charlotte. Charlotte, are you pouting? Come on, let's go see more house. Okay, come in.
Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys?
Yes. Come on. What do you think? Door. You're really good at that. Can you close it and let's go see the other rooms? Where are you going, Charlotte? No. No. Water will come down and you'll get all wet. All wet. Look, who's this on the wall? Charlotte, who's that on the wall? Who's that? Who's that? What's he say? Charlotte, what's he say? The piggy says... Charlotte, the piggy says... Coventry Homes builds all over the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Charlotte and I would love to show you a beautiful Coventry home today. You can build from dirt, choosing every single spec, every single feature and detail in your new home, or they even have some options that are currently under construction, finished even in just a few months, right, Charlotte?
Yeah.
You heard it from her, yeah. Okay, Charlotte, can you say bye-bye to everybody? Blow kisses, bye-bye. Until next time, this is Josh and Charlotte with the Rhodes team, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Flower Mound. Have a wonderful day, bye.